Hello, my name is Nandini Mahajan. My activity is Science Magic. Experiment number 1. Color transfer across glasses. So, the principle of this experiment is based upon capillary action. Capillary action is the name of the process when liquids like water move up through a solid like a hollow tube or spongy material. For example, plant needs capillary action to move the water and nutrients. They need up into their stalks or trunks. So here I taken tissue, five glasses and 3 colors that are red, blue and yellow. So how the tissue transfer the colors into the glasses? This is the experiment. Now, in this experiment, we have one another step in the colorful water transfer across glasses. The next step in this is that we have taken here a glass and in that we have put oil. And now we are taking the colors and dropping in the oil. After adding the colors, we have to mix the oil and the colors with the help of spoon, brush or stick. And now pour this mixture in the big container of the water, fill it with water, and now pour this mixture. Now you can see that the colors will go downside. See how they are slowly going the downside. Now our next experiment is pierce water filled with Ziploc bag with pencils. So Because polymers are flexible, when you stab a pencil through the bag, then polymers push back towards the pencil and form a temporary seal. This prevents the water from leaking out of the holes. Now here I have taken the Ziploc bag and I have reused the color from the experiment number 1, and now I will push pencils in the middle of this water or Ziploc bag. Now you can see that I had pushed the pencil, but the water can't come. Now you can see I had put three pencils. Now when I will take the pencils off, then the water will flow with the help of that hole where the pencil I taken. Now the next one experiment third is warm balloon without bursting. Now here a principle is thermal conductivity. The experiment highlights the differentiate in the thermal conductivity of air and the thermal conductivity of water, or the absorption and transfer of heat in water as compared to air. So here I taken candle, and now you will see. Now here I will take a balloon, and you can see it burst. But now I will take here a water filled balloon. Now I will take it on flame, but that time you will see that it will not burst because of water filled balloon. And now here will come the black line or color on the balloon surface. Now you can see that here a black circular color has happened because the balloon is filled with water and it not burst on the flame. Now our fourth one is paper dispersion experiment. So here paper is hydrophobic, means that water not attracted to it. As the soap moves into the water and surface tension changes, the paper no longer floats on the top. So here I have taken the paper and water in the bowl, and now you can see I will take my hand, but the paper sticks to hand, and I have taken here the finger which has soap, so it goes or moves from there. So our next one is density differential experiment. It is based on Archimedes' principle. Is that density principle means the object immersed is in fluid is subjected to an upward force equal to the weight of the displaced fluid. So here I have taken a water and mixed some color in that. Now I will add the syrup in that. Now the next one is density differential experiment. This is based on Archimedes' principle. Is that density principle means the object immersed in fluid is subjected to an upward force equal to the weight of the displaced fluid. So here I have taken the water, colored water. Then I have added here the syrup, and then I am adding here oil, that is vegetable oil. So you can see that the syrup's density is high, so it is at bottom. Then water's density is medium, so it is in the medium. Then the oil's density is low, so it is at the top of the jar. So you can see that. Now I will add a iron So now I had added a iron thing in that. So you can see that it goes in the bottom because that density is very high. Now I will add a grape. Now I added a grape. So it is at the water's level because the grape's density is of medium length. Then now you can see I had added a grape and it is in the density of the water. Now I will add a cap of plastic bottle. Then it will also go down at the level of oil. Now you can see it is in the level of oil, and now I had added a sponge that is upside because sponge density is very low. Now, our next one is battery circuit experiment. An electric generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction and Fleming's right hand rule. So, here I have taken a battery and 4 magnets and a copper wire. And when you touch the copper wire on the up, and then the copper wire will move. So our next one is, and at the last one is variegated plants. So here, like in the first one example, that is plants need capillary action to move the water and nutrients they need up to their stalks or trunks. So here there is a capillary action with the flower. So here you have to take 4 glasses and color 4 glasses with colored water. So you can and keep it overnight with the flower stem. So you can see that in the morning that it is colored. Thank you.